Yo, 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 this is Sol, also known as SPL Gum, also known as Spatial Gum, also known as Grunt. Your hardest teams called Grunt. And I super hate this stage. I've been stuck here for more than 3 days already. I hate this. But I think, guys, we are almost there. No, not him, not him, not him! Stupid! Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Waste of time. Haha. We could have won that. We have a head start advantage there. Switching with Earthquake. So far, so good, guys. Oh no, oh no. Ah, damn it. That's still good. Still good. Oh, I got hit. That's too bad. Switch. Take the hit. Run away. Run away. Charge towards him. Get ready to break. Awesome. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Switch. Oh my goodness. Okay. Do not disappoint me. Do not. Yes. After 3 freaking days, guys, we finally defeated Jolteon, guys. I gave ourselves a head start by using Fire Fang. Any, those gears that you don't need to charge. Short range, go as far away from the minions as you can but hitting the super boss still, then approach the super boss, destroy his shield with brick break, destroy all his minions, charge up, and yeah, that was super boss number 43. It deserves a separate video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Rawr.